Okay, just gonna make a little update video on my F-150. Here it is. Has clearance lights and all the plastic dumb looking stuff is gone on the bottom. See, just keep it polished and waxed. I mean, see it's shiny. You can see reflection of the building. Windshield's all clean. See, there's the lights. Still see it's really shiny. You can see me in there in the ditch. There's one spot of rust about the size of my thumb. There's a little one right there. Let's just see. There's a little new exhaust system. See, it goes up there. Pedal muffler. It's a Thrush welded. It's like a Flowmaster. Sounds pretty good. Has extra leaf spring. Just a little more support. Oops. The back's nice and shiny. Tailgate. See me in it. Oop, car coming. Disregard all the crap in the back. Fishing poles and tools and stuff. But there's the dual gas tanks, both work really good. There's that. F-150 custom. These are 31-inch tires, I think. Front ones are new. And here's the inside. It has the rubber floor. The windows roll down really easy. Then good side vents. It's your front and rear gas tank switch. The fuel gauge, the wire on the harness on the back of it is a little bit loose, so it'll go in and out. Other than that, it's not really a big problem. You can see it's a new radio. Interior is good. Light works, along with the light on the outside. See, there's the floor and the bench seat's good. There's one little cigarette hole from the previous owner. That's about it, I think. Let's turn on the lights. Driving lights and headlights. Excuse me. The driving light, the parking lights work, the headlights work, and the roof lights work. They look really good. At night, I'll put some pictures in at the end of the video. Let me pop the hood really quick. My phone's gonna die. Let me turn this off. It's 300 inline six. It's pretty good gas mileage for how much power it has. There's the motor. There you go. New battery. A new starter relay. Brand new brakes. And all the other fancy stuff that it has. See, it has a small oil leak. When the truck's warm, it leaks a bit more. But once it cools down, it's fine. Okay, my camera pooped out on me. Okay, where was I? This duct tape. The bolts are missing here and here. This one's missing a bracket. That one's missing a bolt. See? So duct tape's just here temporarily until I can find a bolt that fits it. But other than that, I'll start it up. lights or anything. Good. Has a misfire at idle. It needs new spark plugs pretty bad. It's the only thing it really needs is spark plugs, and it only misfires once it really, when it first starts up. It's only when it misfires. Yeah, there you go. Neutral. This front panel works. Alright, thanks for watching. It's my F-150. Turn it off. Thanks.